Welcome to Nutty Salad, and today let's make fruity nutty salad very healthy. So here I have one medium-sized carrot grated, and this is a sweet sour salad, and you can add spices of your choice if you want. Crunchy apple, if it's organic, leave the skin, otherwise you can take out the skin. And this will give nice crunchiness. So I have peanuts. I have soaked it and boiled it with some salt. You can take boiled peanuts, raw peanuts, roasted peanuts, everything tastes good. Walnuts chopped. I have taken dates chopped, de-seeded. This will add sweetness. Oranges, you can also add orange juice and it will not make the salad dry. Pumpkin seeds, optional. And coconut will also add nice sweetness to the salad, and we are going to make it spicy by adding black pepper. Now this salad does not require salt much. I'm adding a little bit of salt, but if you are on salt-free diet, this is a perfect salad because you don't need the salt in this. So mix well and serve. If you don't have oranges, you can add lemon juice, and if you want it a little bit not dry, then you can also add orange juice instead of oranges. So change it as per your taste. It has proteins and vitamin A and all the nutrition you can. It can be a lunch on a day where you want to eat healthy. It's a perfect lunch. So do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please subscribe Nutty Salad for more interesting recipes. Thank you for watching.